This drawing includes two separate alignments with profiles A and B. The elevation at the end of profile A differs from the start elevation for profile B. To join the alignments, go to Naviate Road, Road panel, and Join Alignments. Select the first alignment, then select the alignment you want to join to the first alignment. To also join the profiles for the alignment, select Yes when the question Join Profile comes up. The alignment B is now added to alignment A. Note that alignment and profile for B is left unchanged. The profile for alignment A is joined with the profile for alignment B and is therefore extended. What happened with the different profile elevations was that profile B got adjusted to profile A. The element was with a grade of 2.13% and now it has changed to over 4 to fit the profile for A.